This weekend will be the 10th round of the Supercross season, and it'll also be the technically re-debut of Christian Craig on the Yamaha. Now, obviously, he's been on the team for the 250. He won the title for them. He was on the 450 in 2023. Then he made his 2-year excursion over to Husky, and he has since come back over here and signed a 2-year deal to return to Star. And it was technically, as far as I saw it, kind of a one-on-one coach for Hayden Deegan and also to race the bike. Now, obviously, he hasn't raced because he's been healing, or whatever you want to call it, recovering from an off-season knee surgery, and since then has also been dropped, I guess you could say, uh, from being the one-on-one uh, mentor, trainer, whatever it is to Christian, or not to Christian, to Hayden Deegan. And we did have a quote from Deegan saying Christian is still a big part of the STAR program. He's still helping us he's still helping mentor all of us, and he is still in my corner deeply as a friend, and he still helps us out. So obviously he was running just a one-on-one program with Deegan, and probably not the worst idea. I mean, Craig was super smooth on that Yamaha. And well, I think it was kind of the thing that Deegan came in this year and was expected to dominate and really hasn't. So he dropped Christian, and now we get to see what he's actually going to do. At 33 years old, let's be honest, this is probably one of, or the last contract he's going to get, at least on a factory ride. He's still super smooth. I mean, obviously, it's going to be dependent on how well that knee is, how well his arm is after all of the surgeries and healing that thing has gone through. But I mean, it's time to show. I mean, obviously, he's got this year, so what, 7 more rounds? He's obviously out of a championship battle. That's a null point. It's going to be how much can he get on that bike? How much can he really train, or has he been training? And how fast is he going to be? I mean, obviously, this year is pretty depleted, so he's got a good chance. Obviously, at top tens, maybe a top five if he's feeling frisky and fast. And next year we see what he's really going to do. I mean, obviously we still have motocross too, but that's a whole nother thing. But I don't know. I'm excited for this. Obviously, I like Christian Craig. I liked him on the 250s. I was glad when he won his title finally. It was nice to see him move up and finally get his first 450 big contract at what, 31. I mean, you think Tomac's retiring and he's like 32, or basically retiring. So I don't know. I'm excited to see how this works. I mean, obviously, see where he falls and slots into the whole 450 hierarchy at the moment. And next year, obviously, hopefully, he can, knock on wood, stay healthy and see where everybody is back when everyone's fully healthy. But so we're gonna leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Where do you think he falls? Top 10, top 5? Is he gonna have a really bad weekend? Be 15th or 20th or something? Who knows? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because I really do appreciate it and it helps me out a lot. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.